Hi, I'm Connie from up north. If you're new, welcome. And if you're one of my subscribers or a returning viewer, welcome back. I'm glad you're here. Now today is exciting. I've got my buddy here, 15 and a half years, Indian Taco. Today we decided to take a trip out to the mailbox together, and guess what? It's here, my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So, if you'd like to see what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and watch Taco and I as he expertly helps me unbox this, then stay right there. I'll be right back. Okay, Taco and I are back in the house. Taco is 15 and a half years old. He's been my buddy for a long time, so he knows all about beauty products and that because he's had enough lip gloss tested on him, let's just say that. That's the only product that we test on Taco. So the bag for this month in the Ipsy bag is this sort of geometrical design. Very nice with yellow. It's got the yellow drawstrings on the side. Bold moves only. Draws up there. Yeah, it sort of reminds me of the 80s. If it was the 80s now, you wouldn't even be able to fit my bangs in this screen. The Paul Mitchell Freeze and Shine, it was like a coat of polyurethane back in the 80s. Boy, those were the days. So the theme this month is power moves. And they say, who runs the world? You do. This month, swipe on your boldest lip and conquer every goal like a boss, whether it's sticking to a self-care routine or kickstarting the next big thing. Sounds like good advice to me. And speaking of a bold new look, it just so happens that I received the Halsey About Face Light Lock. And that's what the packaging looked like on the outside. Now, as you can see, that's open because I thought I was filming earlier and I just took a picture. So here we are again. So that's all right. So this is the Light Lock lip gloss. I'm gonna open that up and let's check out the packaging in here. You can see that is a lovely neutral mauve shade. Very, very pretty. Nice packaging. That's what it looks like. Right there, that's really pretty. Let me go ahead and try a little bit of this on. It's got the doe foot applicator. Nice creamy formula, doesn't feel sticky, has a real light, it's sort of a peppermint scent to it, but it's so delicate, it's barely there. So, all right, I like that. The next item that we have is, we have the Wander Beauty Staycation Hydrating Mask. That's what that looks like there. Now, I've tried Wander Beauty before, some of their products before, and I really like them, so I'm pretty excited to try this. This product here, it says that you can apply a generous layer and gently massage it into your skin, then leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it off with warm water. or you can apply a pea-sized dollop and and put it on your face and use it as a moisturizer under your makeup, or you can just apply it and then sleep in it as a sleep mask so that you wake up the next morning and your skin is hydrated and nourished. So that's nice. I like that, to receive a product that's versatile like that. You know, you can use it instead of just having a mask. You can use it for all different purposes. So that makes it handy to travel if you ever travel anywhere. And thank goodness we can again. So let's go ahead and check this out. And I'm going to spread that on there. Now, the consistency, it's like, to me, it's very like in between a lotion and a gel. It's got a very nice consistency. It's absorbing into my skin well, so I'm real happy with that. The next item is Yensa. This is Yensa. Let's try that again. It's Yensa Color and Face Skin on Skin BC Foundation. It's a full coverage foundation that has the sunscreen in it. That's what that packaging looks like. Now this, I'm going to vouch for this right now. This stuff is fantastic. This is my favorite foundation. This is the third container that I've gone into. I've used a lot of foundations, and this is my absolute love, my fave. Love it. It goes on the skin. You've got this. Here's the container. That's what the packaging looks like on the inside, and it's got this lid right here. Take that off, and it's got a pump dispenser. So usually I'll take one pump, put it on my beauty blender, and over a primer, which I probably don't need because it sounds like it has that in there. I will apply that all over my face, and just one pump full of that, complete coverage, dries down to a matte finish, perfect, looks just like skin. I love it. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to show you is, this is really pretty. I usually don't go for the shimmery colors in that, but I like mattes. But this was such a pretty, I really liked the color story with this. It didn't have it just had more neutral looking shimmers, and I thought, I'd like to give that a try. So that was one of my choices, and I decided to go ahead and order that as one of my choices. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this. And it looks very pretty. It does have a full-size mirror in it, or full size for the container. Packaging, I mean. Okay, let's see this. Oh yeah, I'll put it in the light. Yeah, look at that's real nice. I like those. Those are pretty. I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with those. And my final product that I got is the Viseart Petit Pro palette, and it's just a small little compact palette that has 8 shades, and I'll show you that. I'm not going to open that one. So this is what this looks like. It's a compact little palette that has you pick that up and you unfold it. It's got a mirror in there, and these are the shades of that. This one, I've already received this one, and that is, I really like the shades that are in there. They're pretty. They're really pretty. The formula is so nice and buttery and it works so good. And I really like it. It doesn't take much to put them on and get a really nice look with those. And then I did order an add-on. They had these. These are washable. I've been real curious about these. The washable, they're like cleansing pads, or you can put exfoliant on them. These are from Moonlit Skincare. You can put some exfoliant on there and wipe that on your skin, and then you can just throw them in the washer. And I probably wouldn't dry them, but throw them in the washer, let them dry, and they're ready to go again. So great. So I've been talking, I actually got to speak to my girlfriend Shannon from Oregon today. She's got her channel, Shannon Carroll, and her and I are putting together a little giveaway. And so I wanted to show you, we're getting some items. She's getting some items and I'm getting some items together. We don't know exactly how we're going to do. We've got an idea, but it'll be soon. But I just wanted to show you a few of the things. I also have a channel called Chippewa Sister Soap, where I do YouTube videos whenever I make a bar of soap. And so if you'd like to join me there, please feel free. But this is one of the soaps with the sweetgrass and the beads and the feather. And then I did a swirl of the medicine wheel colors in there. And it's sandalwood scented. So that's something I'm going to put in my giveaway. And then also, there's another soap I made. It's called Peppermint Passion. Actually, Aisha Loves Makeup. She's the one that inspired this. I was sitting there watching TV one night when I was getting ready to make a bar of soap, and I was trying to decide what I was going to do, and she started talking about some peppermint lip gloss, and she had some gorgeous pink lip gloss on, and her pink eyeshadow, and the next thing I knew, Peppermint Passion. And then there's a hippie soap with the flowers on top, and then I always put a braid or something. But yeah, I call that Hippie Days, and that's scented with the Mariposa Desert Lily. That's an indigenous plant that the natives would eat the tubers, and so that's scented with the flowers. So that's pretty much all I got in my Ipsy bag. I'm real happy with it. That lotion is completely absorbed into my skin. I really like the lip gloss, feels good. So there's another necklace that Kyle, I almost forgot this, Kyle contributed to our giveaway. So that's just a few of the items, and we're putting it all together, and I'll give you more details on that, but you'll have a variety of different cool and fun stuff, not just makeup. So I really appreciate you coming here. I'll see you next time, and peace out. Be good to yourself and do something nice for you so that you will appreciate it tomorrow. Change your life, even if it's cleaning out a drawer. Bye. Oh, wait. Taco, tell him bye. Indian Taco says bye. Bye.